Your IT infrastructure is at the heart of your business. It's what makes innovation possible. But when you're managing workloads across multiple clouds and platforms, your infrastructure can become the bottleneck. Developers sometimes wait days or weeks for access to the resources they need, while admins are already stretched to the limit. That's why we created VMware Service Broker, a SaaS-based cloud automation service that aggregates native content from multiple clouds and platforms into a single catalog, complete with role-based policies and resource guardrails. The catalog acts as a storefront, housing curated templates for any cloud or platform, like VMware Cloud Assembly, AWS CloudFormation, and others. Admins can assign policies to these templates and even create custom request forms. Policy-based governance optimizes resource utilization by applying non-disruptive, flexible guardrails to maintain control and reduce costs and risk. So IT can play the role of broker, while developers are empowered by our self-service model to provision themselves the resources they need when they need them, and at the right service level to meet their requirements. The graphical user interface and APIs are intuitive and easy to use, allowing developers to easily browse the catalog and deploy services with a single click. It's time to deliver services to your developers at the pace of innovation. To learn more about VMware Service Broker and what it can do for you, visit cloud.vmware.com today.